Alright, what is up, my beardies? Good morning, good morning. We are here working on the Tuttio today. It's a little cold outside, so we're not out in the garage. We are in my little office slash gaming room, whatever. Anyways, we're going to be taking the old wrap on this off of it and getting it cleaned up, and we have a surprise. We are putting a new wrap on the Tuttio. So this is going to completely look different from when we started this whole YouTube channel and everything. So I hope everybody enjoys. So let's begin. This has been on here for like a year or two. By the way, we do have new shirts out. No plates, no problem. RedBeard Moto. So, get your merch, guys. Get your merch. Oh, Jesus, boy. What is that? Been that glue put down on here. Yeah, I've been waiting for like, I don't know, forever for this dang wrap to come in, and it finally showed up today after like probably 2 weeks. And they said it was going to be delivered in like 4 days, and it was like 2 weeks late, so whatever, I guess. But I am pretty damn excited for this new wrap to go on, because this wrap has had its fair share. I've been on here long enough. It's been used and abused. It could use it, guys. We wrapped it. Really not looking forward to doing it again, but I'm excited to. It's just gonna be a little bit of a pain in the ass. That's alright. That's alright. We got this. Come on, get off of there. Go here. Up here. There we go. There we go. You know, I should have been smart, and I should have just brought my little rolly chair in here to sit on. But I wasn't thinking. I was not thinking at all. Everybody gonna see me mobbing around in town on this and be like, "Whoa, where'd the other one go?" Be like, "Yo, it's the same one. It's just we put a new wrap on her." Once I get all of this off, turn back around, give it a good little clean up, scrub it down. Get all this old stuff off. Oh, that's sticky. Shit. Come on. Almost got it. Get off the finger.
Get off of me.
We've got us a mess over here. I would have figured this would have been way quicker pulling it off than what it was when we put it on. Sheesh. I think it's going to be about the same. But at least you guys will be able to see it done in like 20 minutes, so. Man, let me tell you, it is freezing cold out today. Gotta love good old Kansas weather. One minute it's 70 or 80 degrees, next minute it's 20 some degrees and freezing and snowing and icing outside, so that's always fun too. We just had a little bit of snow the other day, so it's been cold the last like 3 days now. Tomorrow's supposed to be in like 70s, so we go from freezing cold back to 70 and 80 degree weather for like the next week and a half. So, I mean, that's awesome. So the kids are going to get sick. Love this weather. Just love it. We're going to take this back shock off today and paint it. Alright, as you guys can tell, we got pretty much most of it off on this side, so we're going to flip her around. Flip her around, do the other side. Gonna be watching Skid Row live cam sometimes in California. Some crazies on there, I'll tell you that. Say last week now. I think it was last week. Sometime last week I picked one up, a buddy of mine told me about it. And I wanted $75 for it. So I went and paid $75. Dude didn't know nothing about it, I knew nothing about it. Dude didn't even know if it ran or not. Well, I told my buddy about it the next day. I was out riding and he seen me. So we stopped and talked. Told him that I ended up picking it up and went and got it. Came over here to the house and we were sitting there messing around with it. Pulled the spark plug out. Spark plug was a little banged up, and so I put another spark plug in it, cranked it over, and got it running. It's kind of running like dog shit, so I pulled the tarp off, and I didn't really feel like cleaning it, but I had a brand new one laying around, so I just threw that one on there, and it runs pretty damn good. It's a little 110 3-speed with reverse, but I have plans. It's semi-automatic, but we're gonna take this four-wheeler, we're gonna put a 125cc on it that's 4-speed manual. make it a ripper. We'll make it a ripper. And then I want to beef up that 110 and put that on this other little frame that I have. And I was going to turn into all electric, but I think this little 110 will be pretty sweet on it. But it's going to be the first little mini bike to have reverse, I believe. I don't think I've ever seen any mini bikes out here with reverse. A 3-speed with reverse, brother. So that's what we're gonna be doing, and it's gonna be awesome. So make sure you guys stay tuned for those videos that we'll be making and having coming out. I know it's been a minute. I've had a lot of stuff going on. I ain't had no videos posted lately. I've had a lot of family stuff going on, so one thing after another. Sometimes I feel like this year just hasn't been our year at all this year, but hey, we will get through it and make the best out of it. Got up, kind of started whining. So I was just talking about these kids being sick because of this weather. My little man's already getting sick. And how dare you send me a video and it wasn't even what I thought it was. I had to turn it away from this because I got a little excited and I seen that and I'm like, man, what the hell's she gonna do me like that? Fine.
I did have one, but
Yeah, you
I
probably
didn't
sent
like
it to
it.
somebody else. Asshole. She said, I did have one, but I didn't like it. Pero labi no po. What?
And he freaking dropped it on the ground and
Quiet. You gotta take some, bub, or you're not gonna feel any better. You're just gonna end up going to the doctors. Take your medicine now, bub. At least you got something you get to chew up. Mommy and Daddy got to swallow ours. Oh no. Was in the kitchen, I believe, because it was on the floor and I picked it up. It's either on the counter or it's on Doobie's tank somewhere. No, is it on the table in there? like it hates me. No, don't take me off. Leave me on here. Does it look weird?
Very. I'm gonna take some ibuprofen and then.
So we'll probably wrap this sometime tomorrow, maybe, with it being a little warmer. Cause I don't want to have the heat gun in here and pop a breaker or something. So I guess why I'm working on the car, you could do the wrap. Alright, well, there's that. Alright, guys. That is it. I'm gonna shut this off and put my other battery in. I gotta do a couple other things. So, while I'm doing that, I'm gonna get my mess picked up here, get everything all wiped down and prepped and ready. So, as always, peace. Like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you have the bell notification turned on.